Here's the reality. Store-bought bread is loaded with preservatives, conditioners, and ingredients you can barely pronounce. Meanwhile, a fresh loaf from your own kitchen? You control every single ingredient. But here's the problem. Not all bread makers are created equal. Some leave you with dense bricks. Others sound like a jet engine taking off in your kitchen. And the worst? They cost hundreds of dollars only to collect dust after 3 disappointing loaves. I've researched the top bread makers available in the US, UK, and Canada for 2026, analyzing verified user reviews, technical specifications, and real-world performance. Today, I'm ranking the 6 best machines that actually deserve your counter space. The links to all these products are in the description below. Number 6. KBS Pro Stainless Steel. Starting at around $100 to $150, the KBS Pro is proof that you don't need to spend $400 to get quality bread. This machine offers something you won't find in many budget models: a ceramic-coated baking pan instead of Teflon. Why does this matter? No PTFE or PFOA chemicals touching your food, and it's naturally nonstick and easier to clean. The KBS packs a 710-watt motor, stronger than the standard 600-watt motors in this price range, and features 360-degree convection heating for crispier crusts. You're getting 17 preset programs, including gluten-free, sourdough, and even yogurt. And the automatic fruit and nut dispenser means you can toss in mix-ins without babysitting the machine. Here's the trade-off. This machine excels at traditional white and wheat breads, but struggles with gluten-free recipes. Multiple reviews confirm the machine makes excellent sandwich bread, but if gluten-free is your priority, keep reading. For families who want reliable, chemical-free baking at a price that won't make you wince, the KBS Pro punches above its weight class in value. While we're number 5, Cuisinart CBK-200. The Cuisinart CBK-200 brings something unique to the table: a convection fan. This circulates hot air during baking, promising crispier crusts and more even browning. At around $99 to $150, often on sale, it's competitively priced with 16 preset programs and 3 loaf sizes. The horizontal loaf shape is a major advantage. You get traditionally shaped bread that's perfect for sandwiches, not those tall, skinny loaves that tip over when you try to slice them. The machine includes gluten-free and low-carb settings, plus a 12-hour delay timer. However, and this is important, the convection feature can be aggressive. Many users report that even the light crust setting produces darker results than expected. You'll want to start with light crust and adjust from there. Some units also have quality control issues, with certain machines developing grinding noises or mechanical problems within months. If you purchase this one, test it immediately while you're still within the return window. The Cuisinart works best for people who love a thick, crunchy crust on basic white and wheat breads. It's not ideal for specialty recipes or if you need consistent results with gluten-free baking. Number 4. Panasonic SD-YR2550. At around $150 to $200, the Panasonic SD-YR2550 brings serious engineering to home baking. This machine features dual temperature sensors, one monitoring room temperature, one tracking internal temperature, that automatically adjust fermentation timing for consistent results regardless of weather or climate. You're getting 31 automatic programs, including 4 dedicated gluten-free modes, plus manual settings that let you customize kneading and rising times. The yeast dispenser adds yeast at the optimal moment, and the separate nut/raisin dispenser handles mix-ins. And the horizontal design produces traditional loaf shapes up to 1.1 kilograms, about 2.4 pounds. The diamond particle coating on the bread pan is twice as durable as conventional nonstick surfaces, making cleanup easier and extending the pan's lifespan. The technology here mimics artisan baking techniques through specially designed kneading blades and pan ribs. The downside? No viewing window, so you can't peek at your bread's progress. The machine is also bulky and requires significant counter or storage space. Some users report that the automatic programs work flawlessly, but customizing recipes can be challenging. The machine performs best when you stick to its tested formulas. This is the choice for technically minded bakers who want consistent, scientifically optimized results and don't mind working within the machine's proven parameters. Number 3. Hamilton Beach Artisan. Priced around $70 to $100. The Hamilton Beach Artisan is the gateway drug to home bread making. This machine understands that not everyone grew up kneading dough. It's designed for people who've never owned a bread maker and want to succeed on their first try. You get 14 program settings with 3 loaf sizes, 1, 1.5, and 2 pounds, and 3 crust color options. The digital controls are straightforward, the instruction manual is clear, and the included recipes actually work. The nonstick pan releases bread easily and cleans up fast. Here's what you're sacrificing. The motor can strain with 2-pound loaves, especially dense whole wheat doughs. Stick to the 1.5-pound setting for best results. The machine is also noticeably louder during kneading than premium models. The recipe book is minimal, basically just one white bread recipe, so you'll need to find recipes online. The user reviews consistently praise this machine for being foolproof and forgiving. If you mess up measurements slightly, it still produces edible bread. For someone dipping their toes into bread making or operating on a tight budget, this delivers reliable results without overwhelming complexity. Just don't expect it to handle advanced recipes or heavy artisan-style doughs. Number 2. Breville Custom Loaf, at around $300 to $350. The Breville Custom Loaf earns its premium price through one standout feature, the collapsible kneading paddle. This paddle kneads your dough, then folds flat before baking, leaving a minimal indentation instead of the large hole that ruins the bottom slice of most machine-made loaves. It's not perfect. You'll still see a small mark, but it's significantly better than fixed paddles. The Breville offers 13 automatic programs plus 9 custom settings you can save, allowing you to fine-tune recipes and store your favorites. The automatic fruit and nut dispenser adds ingredients at precisely the right time. The 830-watt motor handles heavy doughs with ease, and the viewing window with interior light lets you monitor progress. You can bake loaves from 1 to 2.5 pounds, with the machine performing best at the 2.5-pound size. The included recipe book has 46 recipes, covering everything from basic white to specialty loaves. The learning curve is steeper here. You'll need to experiment with the custom settings to get optimal results. The included recipes are good but not exceptional. Some users report that loaves can come out slightly uneven in shape, particularly at smaller sizes. The machine is also heavy, nearly 17 pounds, and large, making storage challenging. This is the choice for dedicated home bakers who want professional-level control and don't mind tweaking settings to achieve perfection. If you view bread making as a craft worth mastering, the Breville gives you the tools to experiment and grow. Number 1. Zojirushi Home Bakery Virtuoso Plus. At $390 to $420, the Zojirushi Home Bakery Virtuoso Plus is expensive. It's also the best bread maker you can buy for home use in 2026, and here's why that price tag is justified. This machine has dual heating elements, one in the bottom chamber and one in the lid, ensuring perfectly even browning top to bottom. Most bread makers only heat from below, leaving the top crust pale and uneven. The Zojirushi solves this completely. You're getting dual kneading blades that thoroughly incorporate ingredients and minimize air pockets. The horizontal pan produces traditional 2-pound loaves that look like they came from a bakery, not a machine. With 15 preset programs including sourdough, multigrain, vegan, salt-free, and sugar-free options, this machine handles dietary restrictions better than any competitor. The build quality is exceptional. Users report machines lasting 10 to 15 years with regular use. The 13-hour delay timer is intuitive. You just set the time you want bread ready, not calculate backwards like other machines require. The removable kneading blades let you take them out after rising for even smaller holes in your finished loaf. What makes this the number one choice is consistency. And review after review confirms the same experience. Perfect loaves every single time when using the included recipes. The white bread is light and fluffy with ideal texture. The wheat bread has excellent structure. Even the gluten-free setting, which fails miserably on most machines, produces bread people actually want to eat. The cons? It only makes 2-pound loaves, no size options. It weighs 24 pounds and measures 18 inches wide, so it's a commitment to counter space. And yes, it's the most expensive machine on this list by a significant margin. But here's the truth. If you bake bread weekly, the Zojirushi pays for itself in saved time, reduced frustration, and perfect results. This is the machine professional recipe developers and serious home bakers choose when money isn't the deciding factor. The budget hunter looking for solid value without compromising on health? KBS Pro. The beginner who needs foolproof operation and doesn't want to overthink it? And Hamilton Beach Artisan. The experimenter who wants total control and loves tinkering with recipes? Breville Custom Loaf, the perfectionist who bakes regularly and demands bakery-quality results every time. Zojirushi Home Bakery Virtuoso Plus. And if you're somewhere in between, maybe you want proven technology but don't need ultimate customization, the Panasonic SD-YR2550's dual sensors offer scientific precision at a mid-range price. The right bread maker depends on how you'll actually use it. Be honest about your skill level, budget, and how often you'll bake. The worst purchase is the one that ends up in the back of your pantry. The best? The one that becomes your weekly ritual, filling your home with the smell of fresh bread and giving you complete control over what your family eats.